Hey guys, welcome back to Pine Hollow Auto Diagnostics. Here I am on Thanksgiving break at my parents' place. And even here, I brought the diagnostic kit along. This is my brother's 96 Toyota 4Runner. And he's been complaining of a misfire when it's damp, you know, on a cold start. And then once it warms up, it goes away. And on the scan tool here, on the Veris, we pulled up misfire counters, and it was cylinder number 2 misfire. So this is cylinder number 2, and this is a hybrid coil unplug waste spark system. So 3 coils over here, and then companion cylinders live on bank 2. So companion cylinder for number 2 is number 5. So what we did was, quick and dirty, sprayed the coils down with water, and sure enough, the misfire came back, hard miss. Popped the plug wire off. Here's what that looks like. You can see the rubber boot is deformed. This is kind of deja vu from the Mazda Protege case study here. And then we tried running the truck with the plug wire off and just a test light to see how far the spark would jump, like that. So my brother here is going to start up the truck, and we're going to show you what's going on. Alright man, fire it up. Look at that right there. It's an extremely test light close. That sucker isn't even bridging the gap to my test light, it's jumping to the housing. It's just crazy. I mean, it's shorting through the housing. So I'm going to dry this off and see if it improves, maybe clean up the terminal in there and fix this spark plug wire and see if we can make the misfire go away. Alright man, shut her down. Alright, we got the coil cleaned up. Now we have a nice strong spark jumping to the test light. Nothing wrong with that. We're going to fix the spark wire boot and go from there. Alright, what do I? Alright, we got the plug wire back on. Coil's cleaned up. We're going to do a final spray down test here in the misfire counter. So here we go. There's coil number 1, coil number 2. Yet. Alright man, put in gear and engine brake it. Now we got cylinder number 4 misfire. Alright. Well, shut her down. The next one might be the same way. I guess this is turning out to be a lesson on installing spark plug boots. So this one, cylinder number 4, the boot itself looks okay, but you could see it was kind of not in all the way, maybe because these stupid little plastic clips don't push it down all the way. So what we're going to do is, again, clean it up, blow it out, and put some dielectric grease on there. I'm starting to like that stuff, and try again. Alright guys, final shot. No misfires. Coils are wet. We call this one a fix. Thanks for watching.